As you can see, this phone screen is damaged, so we're going to replace it. First, remove the two screws beside the charging port. This is the screen separator tool. You have to make sure that the phone is held tight before locking the suction cup. Now keep turning the knob until the screen separates from the back of the phone. As you can see, this part popped out a bit, but on the other side, it did not. So you have to keep turning until the screen fully separates. Now, be careful in opening the screen so that it doesn't damage the ports. Next, remove these 5 screws. Remove the plate cover. Next, you have to remove the cables. Now that you've removed the screen, out with the old, in with the new. Now that we have the new phone screen, attach the cables. Before putting on the plate cover, you can check first if the new phone screen that you've attached is working. Once you've determined that the screen is working, then you can now put back the plate cover. Don't forget to put the screws back in. And you're done! If you want to learn more on how to repair gadgets, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.